Hello and welcome to this video in the R Analytics course. In this video, we will look at how a dataset can be represented in R through charts and graphs. This is also known as data visualization. In R, we have a lot of inbuilt features for data visualization. We can easily present data through scatter plot, bar graphs, etc., as these are present in the R console. However, the features inbuilt with the console are very limited. We cannot make it too customized as per our needs. To counter this issue in R, we need to install some packages. One very important package which is used extensively for this purpose is ggplot2. We will import this dataset from Excel in R. We can import this data in many ways. One is where we have to copy the table. Then in R, name a variable, say data1, and put it equal to read.table and in brackets, file is equal to clipboard. Followed by header is equal to true. As we press enter, we can see a new variable named data1 has been created with the dataset stored in it. The other method is to import by clicking here in the Environment tab. We have options to import various types of files like CSV, Excel, SAS, Stata, etc. However, we can only import from this method if we have installed the Read Excel package in R. We can see that it is installed in our system. When we click on Excel, a box comes up. We can see on the bottom right, we have the Read Excel package activated. We then click on Browse to get the file path from where we want to import. Now when we press enter, we can see that the data has been imported. Another method is to import by coding. We write data2 equal to read.xls and then in brackets file.choose and then sheet equal to 1. The file.choose option lets you browse for the file you want to import. When we press Ctrl Enter, a new window opens. Here we will then look for the file we want to import. The moment we press enter, we can see that a new variable, data2, has been created with the data stored in it. Thus, we have seen three ways in which we can import data from Excel in R. Let us now look at some inbuilt options for data visualization. First, we look at is plot. This requires two arguments for X and Y axis. Suppose we put city on X axis from data1 table and sale on the Y axis. As we press enter on the bottom right hand side, we can see the plot. Now we might want to join these points with a line or add pointers to it. For that, we use an option called lines. Within brackets, we write the same thing as before and then mention a type. If we put type equal to P, we get the pointers on every plot. If we put type equal to H, then we get a line joining the x-axis and the corresponding plot. Basically, it shows the height of that city over here. We have many such options in the line command. If we write type equal to C, it draws lines from one point to the other. We can keep on seeing all these options, but as mentioned earlier, they are very basic. To remove the plot, we use a command dev.off followed by blank brackets. We can see that the graph is gone. Now we will look at bar plot. This will give us a vertical bar plot of data. The first argument here is that of y-axis. We write data1 $sale. If we press Ctrl plus Enter here, we can see a bar plot has emerged at the bottom of our screen. As expected, there is nothing on the x-axis. Let us now look at some features in the bar plot. The first feature we look at is names.argument. This will help us name the bars that are there on the graph. We put that equal to data1 $city so that the name of the city appears corresponding to the bar. The next option we have is called main. This will enable us to give a header for the graph. We write main is equal to city-wise sales report. As we press Ctrl Enter, we can see that the header is displayed on top of the graph. There is another option called xlab. This gives a label to the x-axis. We put it equal to name of the cities. As we can see, right at the bottom of the graph, the label is present. Similarly, we have ylab, which gives a label to the y-axis. We give this label as sale quantity. Lastly, we put coal equal to blue. This changes the color of the bars to blue. We can also assign multiple colors. For that, we write coal equal to combination of red, blue, green, and so on. This will give each bar a different color. Basically, we will have to give as many colors as the number of bars. We have changed the color to green for now. What if we want just two colors? In that case, the graph will look like this. Every alternate bar will be blue and green. Similarly, if we put yellow, then it will repeat the color of the bar after 3 bars. These were the basic options in bar plot. Let us now install ggplot2, which is a great package for data visualization in R. To install ggplot2, we write install.packages and within brackets we write ggplot2. Once installed, we will then type library with ggplot2 in brackets to activate the package. For now, we stop here. We will look at how to use ggplot2 in the next video. Thank you.